ETK Bearing is a national high-tech enterprise with a full-chain production system and strict quality standards. High-quality steel tubes are cut and lathed using fully automatic lines, ensuring high precision and dimensional consistency. Advanced heat treatment and real-time monitoring ensure uniform hardness, excellent metallographic structure, and superior wear and fatigue resistance. The world-class grinding and superfinishing line uses an advanced SPC system to continuously monitor precision, ensuring 100% product consistency and meeting P6 or higher standards. The fully automatic assembly line uses advanced matching, cleaning, and clearance detection technology to meet customer requirements. The workshop is equipped with an ISO BVT vibration detection system, ensuring each product meets or exceeds the Z2V2 standard. The foundry uses the German automatic molding and pouring system for consistent housings, with strict quality controls and automated sand processing that ensures efficiency, environmental compliance, and HT200 or QT450 material standards. Advanced CNC and automated lines achieve precision beyond industry standards, extending product lifespan. The integrated automatic spraying line, baking finish process, and strict technical standards guarantee uniform paint coverage and adhesion, satisfying every customer's requirements. Strict assembly, precise fit, and premium packaging ensure on-time delivery and customer satisfaction. ETK has a National Bearing Technology Innovation Center and an expert team. With strict quality assurance and multidimensional testing, from material analysis to surface inspection, every bearing integrates low noise and long lifespan. Holding over 50 patents and collaborating with global institutions, ETK delivers reliable, high-performance products. Our products are sold in more than 60 countries worldwide. The multilingual sales team has earned customer trust through customized solutions, reliable products, and excellent service.